Hello friends, welcome to Indian Herbal and Ayurvedic Remedies. I am with you, Pratim. Friends, today in this video, I am going to share with you 2 face packs that will give your face an instant glow, that is glow in 30 minutes. Suppose you have to go to a party or attend a special event and your face is looking dull and dry. What do? Apply any of these packs and your skin will be rejuvenated and you will get a fresh and glowing look. Now friends, we have the 2 main ingredients in these packs are guava and carrot. Now I want to tell you something, 2 or 3 points about both of these. Now first, guava. Now guava is loaded with a wide range of vitamins and antioxidants that works wonders for your skin. Firstly, it gets rid of the dead skins and reveals the new skin cells and makes your skin glowing. Again, this guava protects your face skin from the harmful UV rays of the sun by creating a protecting shield on your face. Again, it increases the elasticity and the firmness of the face skin and strengthens the skin and acts as a toner, and thus it slows down the aging process of the skin. Now, a very important point that about whiteheads and blackheads. This guava helps to get rid of blackheads and whiteheads. Do you know that why blackheads and whiteheads form? These are nothing but accumulation of dead cells, oil that is secreted out of the skin, and dirt. Now, if you don't cleanse your skin regularly, then these 3 things accumulate and forms blackheads and whiteheads, which give a very ugly look to your face. So guava pack helps to get rid of this. Now a few things about carrot. Now carrot again is loaded with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants and beta carotene. Now the percentage of beta carotene is so high that this gives the carrot the orange color or the reddish color. Now when you apply this carrot pack externally, this color, this orange color, helps to brighten up your skin and gives you a glowing face. Again, it helps to get rid of dull and dry skin because it has a lot of potassium. Now friends, I will also recommend you to intake carrot at least thrice a week, because when you intake carrot, the beta carotene gets converted to vitamin A. Now what does vitamin A do? It brings glow to your skin, increases the skin's elasticity, firmness and strengthens your skin, and thus it also helps in reducing the aging process. Now friends, finally a tip for you. Most of you know that before applying a pack, you have to cleanse your face, but often we forget that and we just apply the pack. Don't do that. Please, before applying the pack, cleanse your face with a cleanser or a face wash, then wash off thoroughly and pat dry. So friends, let's move on and see that how we will prepare both these packs. Now, to make this pack, we need a ripe guava and a carrot. Now here, I have taken half a guava and half a carrot and put it in a blender to make a paste. A fine paste of guava and carrot is made. Now add to this paste 1 teaspoon of pure honey. Now friends, you have to mix it very well. Now you have to apply this pack on your face at least twice a week. Apply it on your face and leave it for about 30 minutes, then wash off to get instant glowing face. Now before you going to a party or any event, you may apply this half an hour before going it, and then wash up and you will get instant glow to your skin. Now we will move on to the second pack. Now for this second pack, I have taken half a ripe guava and made a paste in a blender. Now add to this 1 teaspoon oatmeal powder heaped and half teaspoon of pure honey. Now mix all these ingredients very well. Now friends, you have to apply this on your face and leave it for about 30 minutes. When the pack becomes half dry, then massage in circular motion very gently with your fingertips for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then wash off. This will give you instant glow. And before you go to a party or you have to attend any important events, you can apply this half an hour before and then go, and you will get instant glow to your skin. So friends, I hope these two very effective packs, homemade, will give you a very good results. Thank you for watching my videos and keep watching my videos. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please like and share.